What a fuck trade, guys. Good morning, actually. I hope everyone is doing all right. So, sorry about my hair, man. I need to cut my hair very soon. Guys, my last video yesterday, I shared with all of you my trade yesterday on this movement here. I stopped getting a profit, definitely when this candle get completed, because it is not a line of Fibonacci, however, like a region of Fibonacci. So when this candle get completed, I just stop it doing like a market long, like a market buy. So this trade for now as a long trade, it was because I pretty much believe after the downtrend on my left side, the price must, as I always said, like breathe, rest, getting some pushback, doesn't matter like uptrend or downtrend. However, I strongly believe on this Fibonacci here. I always press the wrong button because if I press option in my keyboard, he just update for one chart, and then I have to press option again to press command, and then I pretty much believe on this kind of two target, this one. However, I am kind of more safely to get this again. I did that to get this target, here as a 161.8%. So almost I got there, and I have to admit, I was sweating a bit during this trade. Let me delete this Fibonacci because it almost got my stop loss. I always try to think outside of the box to understand where I can put my stop loss, because like you might agree that if I put my stop loss below this candle, this movement here, it's kind of expected that the algorithms will come down just to get the stop loss for like 90% of everyone that do a day trade and back to your primary trend. So what I'm doing usually is I have a Fibonacci on this movement. I have this kind of region with a possible stop loss. However, I try to get some region Fibonacci, for example, the 50%, and I put it just like a little bit down, and you can see this candle come almost got my stop loss, and like my stop loss was pretty significant for this one. However, I am lucky that just the price come back, and my target is here now, which is my Fibonacci zone of this pivot here. So you can see this pivot has this target, 60K profit, which is amazing. So yeah, guys, like I kindly ask you, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Any question that you have, just write it down, and I'll do my best to answer you as soon as I can. Cool. Thank you, everyone. Bye.